There is no wrong.
Oh, there is. Let's do it. Let's unbox an unknown.
Okay.
All right. So,
What do you guys think it is?
What do you
Boom,
guys
boom,
think it is? What do you guys think it is? Can these be used for George Flintstone toast? Yes, they can. Was George, isn't it Fred Flintstone?
George Jetson.
GMG says it's a clock.
George Jetson.
Let's
Fred Flintstones.
What are you seeing? What do you guys think? What are your guesses?
It's a kitten.
I hope it's
Yeah,
not
go
good.
ahead and start guessing. It's
Phone
light.
charger. Some, my prize. Solar panels, tablet, tea.
Solar panels, that's right. The infamous argument.
AirPods. Ooh, Jimmy says AirPods.
A dinosaur.
Book, a dinosaur. Toys, tea. Okay, I'm gonna give you a hint. There's 2 of them in here.
There's 2 in the box and the little. Oh, you took. Wow! You took the one in my hand.
This is really cool. So this would be.
Oh, is that what they are?
Yeah.
Okay, I haven't seen you guys go in here. Jamie's
This is
glasses.
what the box looks like.
Yeah, because she took my glasses.
This is what the box looks like.
Necklace, glasses,
Socks,
mask,
shoes.
shirt, headphones, journal, glove, hat, book, dinosaur, tea. I thought it was tea, coral roses, when I looked at it.
It does look like it could be tea.
I thought it was tea, but it's
Look
not.
at the company name.
I know.
And
That's
then,
what made me think vitamin. No.
This
tea
is
lights.
neat. These are really neat.
I guess we just got to face it and give you guys a clue.
Yeah. Was that a clue, Jamie?
That was a clue. In fact, the author that we spoke to yesterday on Meet the Authors.
GMG said makeup,
Face cream moisturizer. Oh, we're in a better area.
So these are really unique.
Very unique.
They are bamboo. I'll tell you that.
Bamboo.
This is bamboo. Bamboo material.
Money. Whitening. Money.
Gift card. Face scrubber thing. Yes, GMG.
GMG's the closest.
Yes, I'm going to give it to GMG.
Bamboo makeup remover pads.
There you go. Coral Rose has got it exactly.
Wow, you named it exactly. How'd you do that?
You did. These
you
are
inside
really
my
cool.
mind.
If you can find them, they're from the company Blooming Bee. If someone can find them and throw them in the chat there, that would be great.
Blooming Bee.
Blooming Bee, and this is the company. This is what they are. They're bamboo reusable makeup remover pads, and they're really cute. I mean, and they're so soft. They feel so good.
So you're using them washing 12 plush non-slip bamboo pads. There's also a mesh laundry bag and 1 box of bamboo cotton buds.
Yep. So then they come with a laundry bag, so you can wash
throw them in there, just put them through
so you
wash.
just throw them in here, and you just put them through your wash.
GMG got them on.
Oh right, GMG got them. Blooming Bee. That's it. Yes, Psalm got it. Awesome.
Woo!
I have white and black ones. Yes.
Ladies and gentlemen, the very first person to be able to find it was GMG. And so in recognition, we would like to say a few words. Off you go.
Go ahead with your GMG rap.
GMG, right here now. GMG.
He's not a cow.
Oh, boy. That's it. Do it how? Oh, my wow. So even you called him a cow.
I didn't.
Wow.
I said he's not a cow.
Why were you even thinking cow?
Can someone please?